What's up guys, Alex Orchia is here from Aeon Prestige Media, and today I'm going to be talking to you about vintage lenses. If you're watching this video, you might have an addiction to lenses and cameras and all sorts of stuff like that just can't stop thinking about it. Anywho, we all know lenses could be pretty expensive. I have the solution. You can find many different prime lenses on eBay from the 1950s up to the 1990s. The prices of these lenses vary from $20 to $80. You can find great, sharp, and fast lenses, but the only downside is you're probably not gonna have autofocus. If autofocus is one of the things you rely on the most, maybe this isn't a good option for you. But if autofocus isn't too important for you, then you should check these out. The first lens I'll talk to you about is the Helios 442 58mm f2. This lens was made in Russia in the 1960s and was a copy of the Carl Zeiss Vivitar 58mm. This 8-bladed aperture lens captures swirly bokeh to the side of the image that makes your images look somewhat dreamy. This is one of my favorite lenses. I always make sure to have my Helios with me for portrait shoots and to capture B-roll on my production sets. The second lens is a Vivitar 135mm f2.8. This lens is from the late 70s and is also a low-light beast when it comes to portraits and close-up shots. It also has an 8-bladed aperture, which gives the bokeh a soft, creamy look. The third lens that I really love is the Nikon 55mm f3.5 macro lens. This lens is amazing for shooting extreme close-ups. It is very sharp and has a large depth of field even when the subject is inches away from the lens. It is awesome for food or product photography when you need to get up close and personal. Well, that's about it for vintage lenses. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content.